We're here at SLE Equipment in Antioch, Tennessee, outside of Nashville. And today we're going to be looking at our 6.4 by 16 with 2-foot mesh side utility trailer. This is a dual axle. So this trailer comes with two 3500 Greaseable axles with brakes on the rear axle. It does come standard with 15-inch steel rims. The floor of the trailer is pressure treated wood. It does come with fully wired LED lights as well as a 7-prong round connector. This trailer is a Dovetail. It's going to make loading a lot easier on you. Coming up front, this trailer does have a 2 5/16 inch coupler. Does have safety chains as well. And the tongue is supported by a 2,000-pound jack. Once again, this is a 6.4 by 16 with 2-foot mesh side utility trailer, tandem axle.